In this video, I'm going to show you every single piece of lighting equipment and the setup of that equipment that I used to produce these photos. Hey everybody, so I wanted to go over my lighting setup. It's really simple, and it basically is the exact same for every gel shoot that I do. I haven't changed it since. You could change it. I mean, there's small variations that I do, small changes that I do, but for the most part, it's basically as you see in front of you here. So I'm going to go over each part. First of all, the stands are just C stands, or just I have like a boom stand that I purchased from Precision Camera. This one is another C stand right here. My apartment is a mess, so I apologize. I mean, it just goes to show you how powerful these gels are. I mean, even in small places, you can get amazing light and amazing results. So the first light is my key light. And I have a couple of what are the equivalent of Godox AD200s. You can see here the Cheetah brand. That's actually a Dallas-based company that rebrands Godox equipment, or they used to, and sold them under the name Cheetah Light. They no longer sell Cheetah lights, but they do sell really amazing modifiers. So I would go check them out if you get a chance. Just Google Cheetah Light. But there's two of them here, and I have that connected with the B2 connector, so it's basically a 400 watt second light source. I have just standard 7-inch reflectors here, and then as you can see here, I have the gels clipped on just with a standard paper clip or book, like I'm not even sure what you call those, but it's that kind of clip. Okay, and then of course the gel, and over here is one of my kicker lights. And I have an Godox AD360. They don't sell these any longer. The equivalent is the 400. But hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. There's literally no reason for me to upgrade. It uses like the older battery pack, as you can see here. Again, that was Cheetah. It's all the same thing. And the same thing with the 7-inch reflector and the red, in this case, a red gel. Okay, and then over here I have basically the same setup, another 360, 7-inch reflector. Oh, and I didn't mention the mount here. It's I'll look up the model number. I'll have all the model numbers and all the equipment listed in the on the video here. But again, it's a 7-inch reflector, and in this case, a yellow gel clipped on. Oh, and this one I had a grid. And this actually was my main light. I use the grid for my main light most of the time, so I can focus the light on the model's face and really kind of bring out her face as the focal point of the photo. The gels are, let me grab my gels, show you the gels. So these are the gels. Let me bring it over here. You can purchase those on Amazon. In this case, they're newer gels, but oops, sorry about the overexposure there. They're from the brand Neewer, Neewer, and then I just cut them take a pair of scissors and cut them into the 7-inch strips, so you can clip them onto the 7-inch reflector. And this is literally the setup for every shoot, guys. There's sometimes I'll dip the light head right here, or this one right here, I'll dip it down a little closer to the ground. Like if I want to get the model's butt, like, you know, get some more light on her butt or on her legs, then I'll change that. I also will point the light directly across from the other kicker light, and the model is literally just standing right in the middle. I have her toes meeting the carpet. And then the background's white, and that absorbs, in my experience, it absorbs the most color, or rather reflects the most color. There have been people that say gray will do just as well. I personally have never used gray, but you're welcome to try that and see what kind of results you get. But that is the lighting setup, everybody. And then basically from here, it's all Photoshop.